Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. Let's continue with the same topic, estimation. The meaning of estimation is Anuman Lagana. In estimation, the last point we are going to study is to round off a number to the nearest thousand. Yesterday and before yesterday we have seen to round off a number to the nearest 10 and also 100. Now in this point also there are 3 rules. Let's see what are the rules in this. To round off a number to the nearest thousand. First, number 1, we consider the number at the hundreds place. When we were considering the number the nearest 10, we were using number at ones place. When we are rounding the number nearest 100, we were considering number at the tens place. But here we consider the number at the hundreds place. If the digit at hundreds place is 5 or more, we put zeros on ones, tens and hundreds places and add 1 to the thousands digit. I hope you understood this. That means अगर hundreds का place की number 5 से ज़्यादा 5 और उससे ज़्यादा है तो हम लोग वो वंस टेंस और हंड्रेड्स की जगह में ज़ीरो लगा के और क्या करना है थाउजेंड्स की जगह के डिजिट के साथ 1 जोड़ना है. देन वी विल गेट द राउंड फिगर ऑफ नंबर नियरेस्ट 1000. Now the last rule, however, if the digit at the hundreds place is less than 5, we add zeros at the ones, tens and hundreds place and keep the thousands digit as it is. Then if the number is below 5, that is from 4 to 1, that is from 4 to 1, then what we do? We will keep the number at the same place and ones, tens and hundreds place we will put a 0 and the thousands place number will remain as same. Now here are 4 examples. Now let's do and find out how to do that. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 1000. Now let's make a round figure of 1253, that is nearest 1000. First rule is 1253, our first question. Now let's see, first rule, we consider number at the hundreds place. Now let's name the place ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now here we have 1253, that means 3 ones, 5 tens, 2 hundreds and 1000. Now 2 hundreds. Here we consider the number, first point we consider the number at the hundreds place. We have 2. Okay, in hundreds place we have 2. Then if it is less than 5, then what we have to do? In ones place we put 0, tens place we put 0, hundreds place also we put 0 and the number in thousands place will remain the same. So estimate number of 1253, the round figure of 1253 nearest 1000 is 1000. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2, we are getting 3456. Now let's name the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Here again ones place we have 6, tens place we have 5, hundreds place we have 4. This is also go for our third rule. It is less than 5 in hundreds place, since we are considering number at the hundreds place. So we are getting 4, that is less than 5. So what we have to do? We have to put 0 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 0 in hundreds place and the number at thousands place will remain as same. That is 3000. I hope you understood this also. Now let's see our question number 3. Question number 3, we are having the number 8753. So now let's name the places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So we have to make it round figure. Now let's see, in ones place we have 3, tens place 5 and hundreds place we have to consider number at the hundreds place we have 7. Now let's check the second rule. If the digit at hundreds place is 5 or more, so here we have 7, that is more than 5. 5 से ज़्यादा है. तो आपका क्या रूल बनाया है? We have to add and hundreds place and add 1 to the thousands digit. So now let's put the 0 in ones place, tens place and hundreds place. And in thousands place we have 8. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 we are getting 9. So we have to write this 9 here in the solution. We are getting the round figure estimation of 8753. Nearest thousand is 9000. Now last question is question number 7123. Here just let's name the place: ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now ones place we have 3, tens place 2 and hundreds place we have 1. This is less than 5. So nothing to worry. We put 0 in ones place, tens place, hundreds place and also in thousands place the number will remain same. So here ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. We can name the place so that we can avoid confusion. Like this: ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. I hope you understood these examples. Now let's see some homework. Our last point is to round off a number to the nearest thousand. If the digit at hundreds place is 5 or more, that means 1 point is missing here, but I had taught already. If the number at hundreds place we have to consider. If the digit at hundreds place is 5 or more, we put zeros on ones, tens and hundreds places and add 1 to the thousands digit. Here then next point, however, if the digit at the hundreds place is less than 5, we add zeros at the ones, tens and hundreds places and keep the thousands digit as it is. Now here 4 questions I have already explained. That means first one, 1253. In 1253, since the hundreds digit is 2, we round it off as 1000. In 3456, since the hundreds digit is 4, we round it off as 3000. In 8753, since the hundreds digit is 7, we round it off as 9000. In 7123, since the hundreds digit is 1, we round it off as 7000. Now let's see some homework. Question number 4. 1, 2 and 3 I have already given. Question number 4, exercise 3H. Estimate the following numbers to the nearest thousand. There are 4 questions. And in question number 5 you see, estimate the following numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. That means the first number and second number, third number, fourth number. You will do all the three process. Okay. That means one I will show you, then you will understand easily. Here estimate the following numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. You are getting one question. With this same question, the three numbers we have to make. Question number in 8345 we are going to do round off nearest 10. Then what we have to do? 8345. We consider number at ones place, and ones place we have 5. Then what we have to do? We have to hit the same number we will write. Thousands and hundreds place we have same number we have to do, and ones place we put 0, and tens place we have 4 plus 1, that is 50. It came as 5 and it became 50, and hundreds place 3 and thousands place 8. 8350 when it come to nearest 10. Next one, first process. Then next one, round off nearest 100. Then question 8345. In tens place number we will consider. Okay. 1000. In tens place we have 4. So what we have to do? Ones place we put 0. Tens place also we put 0. In hundreds place number will be same, and thousands place also will be same, because in tens place we have number 4, that is smaller than 5. Then smaller than 5, that is the rule of that. And question number 3, round off nearest 1000. So the number 8345, we consider the number at hundreds place, ones place, tens place and thousands place. Number at hundreds place we have 3. So in estimation we put ones place also 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0 and thousands place. In hundreds place, since the number is 3 and it is smaller than 5, we will write the number in thousands place as it is. This 3 process. In question number 5, 3 steps you have to do. Okay. Round off nearest to 10 with the same number. But using the same number, round off nearest to 10, round off nearest to 100, round off nearest 1000. I hope you understood today's class. Let's see tomorrow. Let's meet again. Thank you. Have a nice day.